Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics introducing our newest Christmas quilt from Old Time Christmas by Northcott. This time, this is called Christmas Wreaths. This is new for us. We have never kitted this one before. This is a design by Fig Tree & Company, and we thought that design coupled up with the Old Time Christmas was just beautiful. I love the classic piecing. I love the classic looks of the fabric coupled up with the design. This is a really nice size, 59 inches square, 16 blocks, same piecing, but as you can see, we're alternating the green and the red, and we added a fun sashing with the words on that, celebrating all the beautiful words of Christmas, and with our cornerstones and our plaid outer border. We thought this was just a classic look. We're offering a backing option on that as well. And we are literally cutting these kits right now. So what we're offering you is the ability to reserve your kit, meaning you can say, yes, I absolutely, when this comes in, I absolutely want Shabby to ship me a kit. You can reserve the kit for $10, the backing for $5. Once those are done, we'll be sure to ship that out to you with free shipping to the United States and affordable shipping internationally. Now, anytime we're doing blocks that are very precise piecing, we're going to need some good rulers, of course, with a nice sharp blade in our rotary cutter, certainly a fresh needle in the sewing machine, and those patchwork pins. That is really the combination that's going to give you the best results. And we found a particular lot of use for the corner clipper as we snowballed many of these parts of our wreath block. And we found the corner clipper saved us a lot of time and increased our accuracy. So that's a notion I really want to draw your attention to. As always, we have limited quantities of these kits, so be sure to reserve that. Don't forget the backing. Let a friend know about this project who might also enjoy having this beautiful quilt inside their home, or maybe to give as a gift. Thanks for letting me show you our newest Christmas project at Shabby, and I'll see you soon.